just behind us, you can see some of. Ty, we're learning new information this morning about this tragic and deadly storm that tore through here last night. We are on Gateway Commerce Center Drive South, just off 255 here in Edwardsville. The Amazon warehouse that took the direct hit is just behind us. You can see some of the damage. The Edwardsville Police Chief, Mike Philback, telling us that tragically at least 2 people here were killed. He tells us search and rescue efforts are ongoing this morning. Bommarito Automotive Group Skyfox is live over the scene as we speak. You can really get a clear view of just the tremendous and extensive damage done to this warehouse from the air. The storm tearing through here about 8:30 last night. Chief Philback telling us that basically the entire southern portion of the warehouse, or fulfillment center as Amazon calls it, was destroyed by the storm. Authorities at this point are still trying to get a firm count of just how many people were inside the warehouse here when the storm hit. Philback says there may have been around 50. The chief says about 30 workers were able to get out on their own. They were taken by bus to the Pontoon Beach Police Department. We're told one person was rescued from the rubble and airlifted to a St. Louis hospital. We don't yet know that person's condition. A few other workers here also suffered minor injuries. Here is some of what the chief told us earlier about the challenges that rescue crews here are facing.
So you have concrete and you have things hanging. It's quite windy outside, so things are unstable. So they have to shore those things up so that they can be safe.
All of those challenges certainly making the search and rescue effort here even more difficult. That effort, though, we're told, will continue until every single person is accounted for. But again, they're still trying to get a firm count of just how many people were in this building so they'll know how many people may still be unaccounted for. The mayor also appearing at that news conference earlier, Art Rizvi, the mayor of Edwardsville, asking for prayers this morning as his community tries to cope